sun defying the dark of the universe. In every turning world a secret is hidden, like silver mercury restless within the shell.
Through morning's rise and evening's fall, the mind still fails to lift the sacred veil. We cling to life as the only truth we know, but once we awaken, the dream will vanish. The stars weep light upon the sleeping rose, when the moon warms the gathering of the night. In its longing the soul grazes the highest heavens, but such a state of grace is rare to hold.